In this video, you'll learn how to get full screen on Phantom Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to expand the Phantom Wallet's extension to utilize the entire screen space available on your device. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet extension in your browser. You can do this by locating the Phantom icon in your browser's toolbar and clicking on it. Once you click, the Phantom Wallet interface will appear on your screen. Next, look at the top right corner of the Phantom window. Here you will find several icons, including a small square with an arrow pointing outward. This is the expand or pop out icon. Click on the expand or pop out icon. After you click this icon, Phantom Wallet will open in a separate full window. This allows you to interact with the wallet in a more spacious environment, enhancing your user experience. Once the new window appears, you can resize or maximize it just like any other window on your operating system. To maximize the window, click on the Maximize button located in the top right corner of the window. This will allow you to take full advantage of your screen's real estate. In case you want to revert back to a smaller size, you can simply drag the corners of the window to adjust it according to your preference. This functionality allows for greater flexibility while managing your wallet. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.